Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the i200 TWS replica AirPods that I got from SuperKnockies, which is a newer site, and the last pair of i200s I checked out was from eBay, which recently the link got shut down. So I'll be providing a link to these and a coupon code in case you want to support the channel and get, I think, 10% off your order. Before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you everyone for the support on my last video, and the winners, if you follow my Instagram, then you know the winners have been picked for the i100 and the i200 giveaways. And if you don't follow my Instagram, then I will put the names on the video screen right now. And yep, congratulations to those people. I have messaged y'all already got your stuff, and I'm sorry for all the people that couldn't win, but I will be doing another giveaway in this video, so stay tuned. But to get started, here I have the Real Airpods box, and here is the i200 box from SuperKnockies. And this box is not one-to-one. It does not have the Apple logos. It's just for customs, but it does look very similar, although this is not the AirPods 2 picture, because it doesn't have the little LED on the front. It's the same as the AirPods 1 box. So these are AirPod 2 clones though. So I'm going to open up both, and those are the i200s. And then I've already taken out the original AirPods, but with the original AirPods you get all this and then a charging cable, but you don't get the same kind of manual for the i200s. Instead, you get the earbuds wrapped up like the real Apple AirPods, and the nice packaging. And then I have been checking these out for a couple of days. I put the plastic wrap on so you can see what it's like. And then you get the charging cable and a small instruction manual. So I'll be checking these out real quick. Alright, so here are the earbuds. I also got a new camera, by the way, so if you notice anything different with the video quality or with the audio, let me know down below. I don't have a mic yet, so it might sound a little off, but I will be getting one soon. So here's the pair of earbuds. You can see it does have the markings on the back. It also has them in the inner lid, and I don't know if you can see this, but they are also underneath the earbud. Let's see, it's a little dark over there. Yeah, you can see that. Both of them have those. So they have all the same markings. They also have the frosted hinge, and this one doesn't seem to scrape off as easily as the last one that I reviewed, which, as you saw, scraped off very easily. Let me zoom this out a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to try pairing them with my phone. So, just like the other i200, it has the newer style pairing where you have to click the button. So you open the case, keep the earbuds in the case when you first pair it, and then you hit connect, and then you take the button on the back and you press it and hold down for a few seconds, and then it will say connecting and connect. And then these are accurate battery readings. As you can see, if I put one in, it splits up. Here, let me do this real quick. As you can see, if I put one in, it splits up into two, and when I take it out, it goes back into one, just like the real AirPods. And in the widgets, you can also see that it shows up as two AirPods together and then the AirPods case. So that's very cool. And now the touch functionality, I believe you can skip and go back, play and pause. So we're going to try that out real quick. Also, these do have the light sensors in them, so they can automatically detect if you take them out of your ears or put them back in. And when you do that, there's a little beep. There's no voices in these, which is really nice. So you can see when I take it out, it pauses, and when I put it back in, it plays. So that's very nice. And now I will be testing the touch functionality. So double tap on the right ear, plays. Double tap on the left ear. That time it pulled up Siri. Let me try it again. So 2 taps on the left ear, brought up Siri. I'm gonna try 1 tap on the left ear, and nothing. Okay, I'm gonna try 1 tap on the right ear. Alright, nothing. I'm gonna try 3 taps on the right ear. I'm gonna try it again. Okay, so 3 taps into the next song. 3 taps on the left ear. Went back. Okay, I'm gonna pause it and do it. That way it doesn't keep rewinding the song. So 3 taps on the left ear seems to rewind the song or go back to the previous song. I haven't yet done the battery test for these yet, but I will be doing that while editing the video. And if you would like to see what the battery life is on these, then just check the description down below or the comment section, because I'll probably comment it. The sound quality on these is actually really good. It's almost indistinguishable to me from the Real Airpods. I think that there might be a little bit less low end on these. I mean, it sounds really good. I can't really tell the difference, but the microphone is not the best. Whenever I take phone calls, there is like some slight static. And okay, so I am gonna do a video voice recording real quick to add to the video so you can hear what the mic sounds like. It doesn't sound too bad. It might sound different on calls compared to the voice memo, but it should sound about the same. Let me make sure real quick. Right now it shows them as split for some reason. Okay, so now I have both of the earbuds in. I'm going to do a quick voice memo so you can hear what the mic sounds like. It might sound different from the calls, but I'll just put this in there so you can hear it. So this is the mic test of the SuperKnockies i200 TWS AirPods. And whenever I use these and I'm on call with someone, I had a TV playing in the background and they could hear the TV quite a lot. So it might not be the best for situations with a lot of noise, but the mic isn't terrible. It sounds pretty loud. It's just there is some background static. So another feature about these i200 TWS is that they can use the Hey Siri functionality. So if I say, "Hey Siri, play music," then Siri will activate and it'll do the command. So you can do a couple different things with that, which you can look up if you're interested in them. But you can send text and call people. It's a bunch of different things. But now, I can also show you that in the Bluetooth menu, they show up as AirPods whenever you have them paired. And they should also have wireless charging. So I'm going to try that out real quick. And you can see when I set them on, the wireless charging pad, they turn orange and the wireless charging pad turns blue, meaning that it is charging. I don't know if you can see that very well. Here, I'll turn off one of these lights real quick. I'll turn off both real quick. Okay, so I put this on and then you can see it turns blue, and that means that it is charging. So that works very well. Another thing I want to check out is the weight of them, which they don't feel as heavy as the Real AirPods, but they do feel like they have some weight to them. So they weigh about 36 grams, and then the real ones weigh about 46 grams. So it's 10 grams off, but they don't feel low quality. The hinge feels very nice, and they cost, I believe, $65. So you can get these on the SuperKnockies website for $65, and it includes shipping from the US, which is very nice because you can get them a lot quicker than from AliExpress. The range for these, from what I could tell from my test, was about 100 yards with no breaking up. That's the furthest that I could test it in the area that I was at, and it was an open area, but there was no breaking up and everything still sounded great. And it was a straight shot to the phone, but if you get into areas with things like walls, then it could affect it and make it not work as well. But the hinge, like I said, is very nice, and they feel very good quality. For $65, I think that's a pretty good buy, and if you use code EATREVIEWS, then you will get 10% off your order, and if you use the link down below, then it helps support the channel. So if you feel like checking them out, go and check them out. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I will be doing a giveaway for these. To enter, all you need to do is just like, comment, and subscribe, and in your comment just say something about wanting them. And yeah, good luck to everybody in this giveaway. I'm sorry that I can't give them to everybody, because I really would like everyone to win a pair, but I can't, sadly. But if you want to subscribe, or if you want to go follow me on Instagram, then you can see who wins sooner, because it might be a little while before I post the video saying the winner. But I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then be sure to like, comment, and maybe subscribe, and let me know some things that you might like to see me do in the future, or some things you might like to see me change. But yep, peace out.